Hello, I want to talk to you a little bit about the first steps to get started with us before you schedule your appointment. The first step with us is really just setting up your credit monitoring site. I encourage you to sign up with ours, not only because it's the most easy credit monitoring site to read, but it's extremely user-friendly. And it's important that you can look through your credit report and understand what's going on, but more importantly, when I'm identifying any challenges, inaccuracies, I can show you exactly how we're going to help you as well. Identity IQ also offers identity theft protection, which is included in the service. So there's a lot of benefits that you get with signing up with our credit monitoring site. The most important reason why Identity IQ is the best is it does show you all three credit reports side by side. And the reason we want you to see your credit report side by side is so you can see if there's any inconsistencies on the other credit bureaus. So once you set up your credit monitoring site, then click step 2, and it'll ask you what your username and password is. Submit that information, and then you'll get access to our calendar to pick a date and time that works best for you. I'm really looking forward to going over your credit with you. Thank you, and I'll talk to you soon.